Get your flea bitten mouth. That's pen 1. Checks over. Now we're going over to pen 2. See how many fatalities there was over the last night. Okay, it was entered pen 2. As you can see, there's fewer birds in here because we've had a few delivery. Few of the birds went out a couple of days ago. This is one is easy to check. There's only a few, so I don't expect no fatalities in here. What happened? They tend to die overnight because either it's too hot, too cold, whatever, you know. But at this moment in time, it seems like it's okay. We've had 80-something, 87 fatalities yesterday, or the day before yesterday. That's a high number for one day. Because it was extremely hot. And the fans was working extra just to keep these birds cool, literally. All it takes is one of these fans to break down, and you can potentially lose hundreds or thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. So you just gotta know what you're doing, because you can lose all your stock in one night. I guess that won't be good. But as you can see, there's only a few in this one compared to pen 1, because they made 2 collections, sold 2 batches from this pen already. Okay, there is 1 fatality. So what do? I bag him and make compost with him.